Atanga Nji reject Kamto.
Atanga Nji, we don't talk say Grand Atango, we don't talk say Maurice Kamto, you know go be candidate. People they be say na yoke where the yoke. Atanga Nji, Maurice Kamto. If get obsession about Maurice Kamto. Today, Maurice Kamto. Tomorrow, Maurice Kamto. Any day, Maurice Kamto. This one, Maurice Kamto. They no go do this. They no go do that. Maurice Kamto no supposed to do this. He no supposed to do that. Every single day, na so Maurice Kamto. Now that countryman, control man, they don't say na play. The matter no na play. Oh, small so. Now so elect come for Saturday. They begin for announce list for people the way they begin for big candidate. For presidential election where they take place in October. What is na play. Now so Mr. Dr. Egbe, he take microphone. He started announce the name them. He call names them. So he say out of the 83 people the way they can put their candidacy, now only 13. People they say he go call us he call come to his own name, child name of fame. Kamto, in name no come out. They call other name, they call a finish. They no call Kamto in name for day. Now anger that way was people don't vex. Supporter they for Kamto don't vex. They don't talk plenty can grammar. Talk plenty can't in them. Now so the match don't go before the party we put Kamto like their candidate. They call them say money them now, you don't talk so say they go carry the matter, they go for constitutional council. So now for constitutional council we will wait for see how the matter will take place today, because now only the last place that way, now the last people with the figure authorization say the one way elect can be make wrong, the one now one time I say me go the way we want time come to be candidate. So now so the thing it pass. So the wait we'll see what way it go happen. Otherwise, anything happen, they will not say na so a day, and they will not say the rest of the opposition leaders them they will put their hand together for support candidacy for Akere Muna. Na so the thing dey, because Akere Muna be one of the most vital and very serious candidate for the election way it shows say they feel supportive. So if the other one did not come out, Muna support Akere Muna. Now my own to read that way, and for to read for Muna.